Let's talk about the business structure and operations of Raising Cane's Chicken Fingers. I've worked here for almost 2 years and was hired before the location in Bridgeville opened, so I know the structure and operations pretty well. So, what is Cane's? It's a fast food chicken restaurant. The menu is very basic and only includes the items pictured. There's only chicken as the main, and the sides are the fries, toast, coleslaw. Finally, of course, is the sauce, which is the main differentiator in the chicken fingers market. This extremely basic menu allows for the best product quality possible across locations. As for the structure, it's a functional and geographical structure. So the company is very centralized and decisions made are quickly standardized into the entire company. This means that the output is consistent across every single location. For a little history, the company began in the late 90s in Louisiana and slowly expanded throughout the South with franchises until they gained enough leverage to buy back each franchise and corporatize the entire company. Since then, new markets have been created and each one has its own regional hierarchy. The company has clearly stated goals, which are 1,600 restaurants and to become one of the top 10 restaurants in the US. Last year, there was 116 restaurants opened. Each new location is set up with a huge team of what are called new restaurant openers, so that each one is just like the last. The company culture is reinforced with each new restaurant. So, how does this business function? Obviously, the food must be distributed to our store. Each item on our truck is, quote, packaged for Raising Cane's. This means that everything is pre-measured exactly to our food prep requirements. How about the coleslaw as an example? It has two ingredients for crew members to add, the dressing and the cabbage mix. Since it's already measured out, one bag of each is needed to create the coleslaw. Then we use a scoop that matches the exact size of the cup portion. Each batch takes 6 minutes to make, which can allow our manager to plan exactly when to make it for our forecasting needs. Some other functions come into play when we think about the special cane sauce. It is basically the only sauce available, although we do have ketchup and honey mustard, though that is not advertised. It has a secret recipe. The sauce has actually gone viral because it pairs with the chicken so well, and we sell it by the cup. Now, moving on, when we venture into new markets, of course, we use almost all business functions. First, we strategize the locations, then we need HR to hire and relocate staff, and then, of course, pay for all of it with finance, and then market and operate the stores as soon as the location opens. The centralized structure makes it easy for everyone to be on the same page. Workplace operations best practices are clear throughout the organization. So when the company wants to increase from the 800 locations it has now to double that in 2030, there is already a team of new restaurant openers or the NRO team to smoothly introduce the restaurant. They'll even return if the location has hiccups or growing pains. When they come, they reinforce the standards and keep everything on track so that we can serve the best quality food. I tell my customers all the time we only serve one thing, so it better be good. And here is the new restaurant opening team. To conclude, the functions of Cane's must seamlessly interact to achieve the success and accomplish the expansion goals. With its geographical and centralized structure, they can standardize business processes and meet regional needs. Cane's vision and mission statements are literally printed into every training book, so each employee throughout the organization is aligned. And here's the sources for this presentation. Thank you very much.